that family protection bill had provisions similar to these very things contained in President Trump's executive order. And we all know, as the people of Kenya, efforts which have been made by those foreign powers to thwart the family protection bill, which I proposed in Kenya, from being enacted into law. That bill has been kept in the store of the Social Protection Committee. It is the Democratic Party of the US under President Biden who sanctioned the enactment of that bill. And by the way, it was so firmly done, it reached a level nobody within the entire parliament would touch that bill. And I'm following on the foothold of the executive order now issued by the US government, I want to promise that two things must happen. The Supreme Court determination that said sex, which is equal to gender, means sexual orientation, meaning that people have a right to determine their gender at will each time according to what they feel, must now be reviewed. We are going to approach our Supreme Court again and remind the Supreme Court that the hold the Democrats had on you to use you as an organ of government in Kenya to impose on the people of Kenya homosexuality has been unchained, and to demand that determination be reversed. So I'm going back to court to seek review. Number two, I now want to request the leadership of Parliament, led by my Speaker, the Right Honorable Dr. Moses Masika Wetangula, and the administrative system of Parliament, to now allow me to proceed with the family protection bill which had been drafted by this Parliament to completion. In terms of our return to court, when I speak as I'm doing, I've left my legal team already drafting. Just want to tell the world that when regimes change, they come with new principles and ideals. So I'm preparing the papers, and my estimation is that latest by the end of next week, we should be back to the court.